Happy new month, my beautiful people. Welcome to the month of June, and in this month I said the God of goodness bless everything that you put your hand into this month. Okay, so in this wonderful video, yes, it's still me, your real estate therapist, Josie Nadi. And on this video we are going to be talking about a very crucial and very important topic in real estate. Yeah, we're going to be talking about ways you can invest in real estate here in Nigeria. Yes, real estate is not just about buying and selling of land, no. And it's not just about building houses and renting it out. These are just different forms of real estate, but there are other forms of investing in real estate. So you just choose the best for you and then you work with it, milk the return on investment, which is guaranteed once you're talking about real estate. Okay, so let's get right onto it. The first way you can invest in real estate here in Nigeria is through, land banking. Land banking investments. Yeah, this is the best form of investing in real estate, especially as a beginner. 99% of real estate millionaires and millionaires are land bankers. Every real estate millionaire you know, they are land bankers. You know why? Land banking investment gives you opportunity to start small and grow. You understand? Once real estate is consigned. So what is land banking investment? Land banking investment is actually so simple. It is a very simple thing. So this is the holy grail of land banking. Buy in a far, fast developing area when the property price is still very low, and sell when development starts appreciating, when the land have appreciated. Simple and short. So land banking investment is actually buying low and selling high. Business. For people that know business and love business, land banking investment is business. Just about buying properties when it is still very low in price, that's very cheap, at its lowest point, and then selling when the price has appreciated. That is how billionaires in Banana Island started, and they are already milking from it. Banana Island was once sold for 10,000 naira. What's the property price now? Billions of naira. Land banking investment gives you opportunity for exponential high return on investment. It appreciates exponentially. When you talk about land appreciates exponentially, especially when you buy in those locations that are good for land banking. So you can actually start your real estate investment as a land banker. And for a beginner, your best bet is to invest in estates that are fast developing, in fast developing areas, in the estate you want to start, in the state you want to start investing in. Did I just say estate? Yeah, in the state you want to start investing in. Okay, that is the first form of investment in real estate. So the second part of investing in real estate in Nigeria is what we already know about. This is the first form of investment in real estate that was done by our fathers, the early investors in real estate in Nigeria, which is rental apartments. Yeah, that was what they did. They just bought properties and they build and rent, which is still very effective now, but you know what? It is even more advanced now. So you can actually come in and become a real estate investor through buying or building rental properties and renting it out in yearly basis, monthly basis, or quarterly basis. You know what? Do you know you can actually milk even more return on investment by renting out your apartment for short-let apartment? You understand? And when it comes to Enugu, do you remember what they say about hospitality in Enugu? Oh yeah, you got me. Hospitality in Enugu is a sure banker investment plan. In one of my videos, I'll still talk about short-let apartment investment. Okay, so you can actually buy, build, and rent out. And in one of my videos, I talked about factors to consider when buying a land you want to build on to rent. So you might want to go and watch that video. The link will be on the description box and a card will appear in this. Okay, so you have to go and check out the factors to consider before you buy a land you want to build on, to rent out, so you make the best investment decision. Okay, that is why I'm here for you. I'm your real estate therapist. Hello. Okay, so the third way you can actually invest in real estate here in Nigeria. Wait, we continue from there next time. Anyways, like, come to your face again. I am still your real estate therapist. Cheers to your world creation. Until next time, bye bye.